For our Boracay trip last April 2023, I booked the deluxe twin room through Klook and I'll show you a room tour. Per night is around 22.78 and 3 cents. The total bill for 3 nights was 62.47 and 90 cents. I used Klook credits and Video had a credit card promo at that time. I suggest checking for Klook or credit card promos before you book. The hotel has two entrances. One can be accessed from the main road and the other is beachfront. The hotel also has an elevator. This is the bathroom. The bathroom has a spacious counter to put in your toiletries bag, towels, wet clothes, clean clothes. They also provide basic toiletries like toothbrush, shampoo, and shower gel. The trash can is a bit small, but one good thing is they have a bidet and towels are provided and the shower has good water pressure. They don't offer hotel slippers. The laundry bag is not that sturdy. Here's the mini fridge. It's enough space for a few bottles and cans. The hotel provides water bottles and they are replenished every day. They also have a coffee and kettle. The hotel doesn't have a water dispenser per floor or in the hallways, but you can drop by their restaurant to ask for water if you have your own water bottle. They have cable in the TV. The air conditioner can cool the room quickly. They give out Wi-Fi vouchers and it is per device. However, the Wi-Fi signal is only good if you're within the restaurant area. When you're inside the rooms, it is best to use your own mobile data. Spacious and big beds. They only give one room key, so do your best not to forget it inside, but you can always call a staff member to have the door opened. The plated breakfast is included in the room rate. Only the bread, fruit, soup, and juice are unlimited. And that's it for the room tour. Till next time.